Stephen A. Smith Show. Before I get on out of here today, I need to get into this OnlyFans story that's been percolating all over social media, okay? The name is Sophie Rain, a content creator on OnlyFans. She's made waves recently when she revealed she's made an astonishing $43 million in earnings over the past year. When the validity of her claims were questioned, she began showing her receipts with monthly earnings, including a whopping $4.7 million from one man who goes by the name Charlie, Charley, including a whopping $4.7 million from one man who goes by the name Charlie, Charl, including a whopping $4.7 million from one man.
Man, this is ridiculous. Um, man, I know 72% of my subscribers or my viewers are men. And 22 are female. I know the analytics. Big thank you to my top spender for being there since the beginning. Subscription ending last activity December 2024. Subscription $84. Post $0. Messages $278,434. Bro, tips $4.4 million. Man, total $4.7 million. Brothers, I mean, whatever you are watching this from, you are watching me. I really don't know why you have to do this. I do understand sometimes it's part of like dopamine. Yeah, dopamine, a chemical that it means to makes you happy. Activate that dopamines and endorphin, but you can do some other things than just go on OnlyFans or on the porn sites and started to spend your money that you've been working hard for instead of looking after your family or the people that are struggling some really financial issue that's going on in the world. I know you're not going to solve everybody's problems, but your secret things just like going on OnlyFans and started to tip just so you can watch somebody like coming and do some nonsense on the screen, bro. Like, damn, man, like porn is free actually on internet. It's actually free. You can download it. You just need a Wi-Fi, you know. And you know why they did that free? I don't know. For now, let's talk about OnlyFans. Man, $4.7 million. Just, I think a lot of women can do this because women they like easy money, right? But we're not talking about women. We're talking about men. Men are not men anymore. Like men are not manning up, all right? Because your morale is very low. Like your discipline is very low. I mean, because they say a strong mind has to have a strong body. Because you cannot say you have a strong mind while you don't have a strong body, right? If you cannot um resist just the feeling of just because you're seeing a woman is naked, then you are a weak man. And we live in a generation where there is so many weak men out there, bro. A lot of men are weak, super weak. How could you just working so hard every day and then in the evening you got 1 hour just to go watch some OnlyFans and started to give your money away? And one thing I don't understand is most people that do this, they have families, they have wives, they have girlfriends. Um, and if you are doing this while you are single, that means you are blocking your way of getting a good partner. You should know these things is spiritual, right? These things is spiritual. Just like the definition of sex, it's sacred exchange energy. Sex, sacred exchange energy. It's sacred. It's spiritual. So many people do porns, masturbations, and stuff like that. But you are exchanging your energy to somebody else who you don't see. The devil is taking it, and they'll be using it for some other rituals. Maybe you and I, we don't know. And by doing this is like you working for the devil, man. Like tipping people, like because they show you their body parts, their private parts. This is really, really, really hectic, man. I know there are so many people do this, and you have to help. You have to pray God to help you. It's gonna happen, and you will see so many door will happen for you because these things, it's diabolic, it's demonic, it's not God. This thing is evil. If you are obsessed with OnlyFans and porn, I mean, you already know, like God. I mean, devil is already making you close to him, and you need a biggest deliverance, for you to come out of these situations. I know you're watching this. You do this sometimes, or you might not be doing this. I know, bro. I know, man, so much. All right, but you need to pray so hard.
who goes by the name Charlie, Charley.
Charlie.
To put the total earnings in perspective, Sophie Rain made more money on OnlyFans than many of the NBA's biggest stars. Ladies and gentlemen, look at this list right here.
This is ridiculous. Anthony Davis. Wow. My goodness. Luka Doncic, Trey Young, Anthony Edwards, Tyrese Halliburton, Kyrie Irving, Jay Moran, Zion Williamson. Okay.
Anthony Davis, Luka Doncic, Kyrie Irving, Anthony Edwards. Look at the money that they're making. 42 million for Anthony Edwards, right? In fact, this platform has grown so much that in 2023, OnlyFans content creators earned a total of $6.6 billion, which exceeds the total of salaries earned by the entire National Basketball.
Do you understand? OnlyFans, $6.6 billion NBAs. My goodness. Man, if I was a president, I was gonna shut this website quickly. Like really, 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 really quickly. Easily and quickly. Why would you do that? You don't work? No, God, come on, man. You don't work, you're just showing off some stuff and thing like that. But in some way, it's also illegal to but it's just so funny, man. Like it's not appropriate. It's like a cheating code for women. All right. OnlyFans only in 2024 had 6.6 billions and NBA had 4.9 billions. NBA. I don't know, guys. What you saying? Like, tell me something in the comments. I really don't know. Wow, this is ridiculous.
Association, which was at $4.9 billion, according to Basketball Forever. Ms. Rain says she is a devout Christian and a virgin.
Aibo.
So Sophie made 43 million and almost 5 million from Charlie.
Who's this Charlie? Charlie, who is he?
I guess he might be the horniest man in America, huh? I mean, let's take Sophie at her word. There's no reason to call her a liar or anything. She says she's a virgin. She says she hasn't been with a man. She says she hasn't been doing anything. Okay? And despite that, the man gave her damn near 5 million ounce. That's new meaning a pervert for him. I mean, what else can he be described as? Why are you paying a girl on OnlyFans nearly $5 million to look at the?
Let's go find Sophie Rain on Instagram and see. Here we go. Because she's popular. It's like everybody follows. She's got 6.6 million followers. Sophie Rain, public figure, 20, Florida. Can you imagine? My goodness. There she is, Sophie Rain. Sophie Rain. Whew. OnlyFans teams. I mean, they got fake boobs, fake so many things, uh, so many likes from perverts, dudes, and non-responsible dudes. I mean, I don't. I won't even try to like this type of picture. Like, I know, but I wouldn't. I like give it a like. Nah, shit. You can't get my like. You can be beautiful, but you're beautiful doesn't mean like you're just gonna have to be successful easily. Just like it's not like I'm hating on that, guys, but I just see like this is kind of some stupidity things like the world has to stop. Unfortunately, the world's like stupidity, and stupidity can make you even like bigger than anybody else because you think differently from other people. All right. So you telling me Sophie Rain got hey man 4.7 millions every single year just because she's an OnlyFan public figure. And the biggest pain that came from Charlie, one person. I don't understand. That guy was just gonna end up sleeping with her one day because he's been spending a lot. Because women are like receivers, and when they receive a lot from you, they will surrender. That's one of the law of the of women. All right.
Because listen, I ain't never been on OnlyFans, never looked at it, never saw it, never. I mean, this is the first I'm seeing of her. Okay, and this is what's blowing me away. It's like
It's
I'm
not
like,
a
what is
porn
this?
site.
What is this? Is this a porn site? They
It's
say
not a porn
no,
site.
not
People
really.
do
Some people
bullshit.
can do
Like
that.
and show.
Others
I
just
don't know, but this I've never been there. But this is what I know because people told me that some people can show their boobs, some people can some fetish, some stuff like that. I don't know how it works, and I have no desire of knowing because the more you know, the more you attract. The more you attract, the more you become. And I don't want to be part of that cult. I don't want to. And I'm also advising you if you are part of these things, part of Pornhub's, blah blah blah, stop it. Otherwise, you are wasting.
people actually model their feet. They're not doing anything. So it is entirely possible that Sophie Rain is absolutely positively telling the truth. We can't sit up there and cast any aspersions on her like she's done something. If a man want to give her money to show, I don't know why, but he's not getting anything from her physically, that is, and he's still giving her $4.7 million.
In the world,
That man
actually.
has to be the horniest man in America, assuming he's from America. As for OnlyFans, I will say the scary
Many.
part about this is that that will
This
encourage
is what I don't
people
like at
desperate for a
all.
quick buck to do anything.
The government should do something for this because women, when they see, oh, OnlyFans, I'm getting on OnlyFans because it's top of a private site, but yet people can access it. So if a woman is single or blah blah blah, she's just gonna decide to the spirit is gonna go up in the herd and started to decide to do an OnlyFans things, which is it's not appropriate. All right, it's I don't know, man. Man, what do you say about this OnlyFans thing? I don't know. What do you say? I don't know. Let me hear you in the comment below.
Generate money. YouTube is bad enough where you got people all over the place saying and doing whatever just to get attention to create clickbait and stuff like that. But now with OnlyFans,
Especially these days, everybody is a podcaster. Everybody is a content creator. Like the world is going to the digital world. Like, all right. Like we are living in a digital world. Like it's gonna be a fight on digital platforms. Like everybody want to become someone digitally for attention and clickbait. All right. I was once told that my thumbnail has so much clickbait until he clicked and then he was upset with me. Why did I even click? So but you got to understand, like we live in AI era, and every digital thing is like a fight. Like people are fighting. Look at OnlyFans is making a lot of money than NBA. This is ridiculous.
what that's going to create, because if she's telling the truth and there's no reason to believe she's not to, and she didn't do anything. She's still a virgin. She didn't do anything physical to get this kind of money. You think there ain't gonna be people out there that says, well, what if I
It
was
is
gonna
crazy,
do
man.
something physical?
I know what you say, but let me know in the comments below. And because this Sophie Rain nonsense, this is really, really ridiculous, guys. It's really ridiculous. Sophie Rain. There is your Sophie Rain. Even got 6.6 millions. God damn it. Bro, my last question is, would you tip her $20 just so you can see her private parts? Yes or no? I know a lot of people would, but I wouldn't. I'll see you in the next time video, guys. Please hit the button, subscribe if you like the video. Hit the button, subscribe, activate the bell notification, and press a button like and share to your story. See you next time.